Porsche GT3 RS, I got the wing on. Wait. There we go. Bang, bang, bang. Motherfucker. Wait. Spotify. Fucking. Now, I don't know how the quality looks, so. Or how I fucking sound, so you better stay with me now. Type shit. Type shit. Alright, I did start this stream a little tad too late, bro. I'm long on this shit. But I want to see this, bro. Just fucking straight up fucking ciao, bro. Night night. Wait, do I get the chat up here? This shit too advanced for me, bro. How the fuck do I get the chat up? You know what? Fuck this shit, bro. Alright. Oh. I was too many fucking windows open. Give me a second here. Alright, is the music good? Should I turn up the music? How do I do this shit? What's the dealie on this shit? Turn it up, gang. Alright. Alright.
Hop on a Viper, gon' make them upset. Fucking rich niggas gon' get you with gets. Pussy was leaking, I fucked on his jet. We made a bun to never forget. Cancel that hoe, she try fuck on my chick.
How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Can't hear music. Shit, bro. Alright. Good there. Alright. But the thing about streaming on YouTube now is I gotta focus on so much shit at the same time, bro. Like I'm looking at Discord, I'm looking at YouTube. Wait, I can't play copyrighted music on this shit? Hell no, bro. Non-copyright music for YouTube. Alright, this is the shit we're gonna listen to. That's trading right there, bro. Fuck yeah, bro. Now I'm gonna kill myself instead, bro. The worst part about being on YouTube too is I can't say the fucking hard R, bro. Like, what the fuck am I gonna do here? Like, what am I even supposed to say, bro? Here's how I made $34,000 at 16. That's where we at right now. Nah, fuck the copyright shit, bro. Alright, so my overall bias today. Wait, I need to turn this shit down. Alright, so I'm on a little bit of both sides today, to be honest. I like longs, but I fucking hate longs at the same time. But this high right here, this is all I'm looking at. Purple mark, you mean the fair value gaps? These ones? Wait, what's the date today? It's just the first percent of fair value gap. It's just this right here. What? Alright. Oh, please don't. I'm already in a long. I'm just trailing this fucking stop loss so hard right now. So ignore the sound if you hear it. You might hear an order filled. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. The ping was just a fucking alert. Alright, I just hope today isn't gonna be a sideways day all day, bro. I thought my funders was gone. Bro, I had fucking Vietnam flashbacks. Smoke alarm? Alright, bro. Chill out. Alright, you're about to hear a sound.
Order filled.
Ignore that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I took this right here. Just fucking tried to get this high. But this PA's. I just want to see a fucking huge ass push, bro. No, like I said, my overall bias today is short. I just want to see this fucking Trump candle get raped, and then we can go down. My overall target is probably down here at this TR pocket, or this fucking golden pocket down here with the range point control. That's probably my main POIs. But I'm not certain. We might just go straight up and fucking rape the 2500s. Don't worry about the Hitler, bro. Wait, can I even say Hitler on here, bro? TR pocket is just a deviation, yeah. It's just this deviation pocket. It's just 27.2 and 34.14% deviation, like this. I think I salute too. Alright, we're not testing the limits today, bro. Play that new Kanye. Alright, I'll check that later. The fucking cake shit. Alright, I trailed my stop a little bit too aggressively, bro. But it looks like we're gonna get those highs. Alright, bro. Do I really have to do this? Fucking faggots, bro. House tour? No, this shit looks like a fucking rat's nest, bro. This shit is not looking good. You can have a fucking watch tour though. What do you know about this, bro? What you know about that? What you know about the fucking Cartier skeleton, bro? I love this shit so much. My bad. Fuck you, bro. House sits on the wrist? Shit. Nah, I would, but I'm not going to. This shit looks so ass, bro. But I kind of want to as well. But I'm not going to. Another day, bro. I also haven't checked out crypto in so long. I might do a little fucking, what's it called? Chart review or whatever the fuck. Wait, where's... We need Diego with his fucking bald ass head in this shit, bro. Show us the whip. I don't think you're ready for the whip, bro. The Ford Focus. Shit. Shit. We're traders, we know how it be. Alright, look, this is how bad shit has gotten to. Wait, I'm just gonna make sure I don't show some shit that I don't. Like this. This is just like today, bro. I'm just living on McDonald's, man. Like we need an Angus top prediction. Shit. Oh wait, I forget you guys can see the screen too. I'm retarded. Holy shit. Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna even. Smells like shit in here too. Gotta open the fucking window, bro. Fucking man cave. Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, never mind. I'm retarded. Alright. Any questions? Anything you guys want to know? Gonna be here for a fucking while. This is just going sideways. I was hoping for some volatility today, considering the Trump tweet, but we don't have shit. What's my POIs? I'll go over them in a second. Alright. So we're currently just fucking ranging inside a range inside a fucking range. You get me? This shit is ass price action, man. Like, what the fuck is this? It reminds me of that shit we had not so long ago. Like here. Like, it's just this. It's just gonna be like some seconds before shit just goes sideways, you know? My current POIs is just, I want to see a sweep of this, and then we can go for a golden pocket entry like up here, and go for, I want at least this, but to be honest, if we start seeing some volatility, I think we easily can go for that monthly open. But my current POIs for sure would be that, and it would be the same like here. Sweep this, and then play some confirmation like deviation backtest maybe. I don't really have any levels today, like there's no levels left because everything just ping pongs everywhere. It's just like nothing much to really look at. And we're just moving sideways, so it's not much to really do about it either. Yeah, just the previous day high, or this for shorts. I just want to play confirmation today, to be honest. Want to play it safe. Friday as well, so I'm not gonna bother risking anything. Had a winning week. Longs, if we just start dropping like rapidly, I would play this like right here, this area. Again, some confirmation, golden pocket, or this golden pocket down here. I would probably just have a limit entry on this. This area looks nice, like have a fucking swing or some shit. Like go for this. Could be cool. I don't know, to be honest. It all depends on what happens next. But 10 AM has opened and we don't see anything at all. So I don't really have much hopes for this. What do you think of the Trump news in terms of NQ? Bro, he's just raping the market, bro. He's just fucking... He's playing ping pong with the Asians, man. Fucking... 80% tariff for the funsies. 300% tariffs for the fucking funsies. Like, what? He just fucking goes like this and nukes the shit. I don't really think it has some long-term effect, because he's just gonna keep spewing out bullshit. Are you in that golden pocket long right now? No. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Who would play ping pong against the fucking Asians, bro? They're made for this shit. You feel me? I know it's basic, but can you break down how to determine your bias? I just go... I mean, it's easy for me to say because I've looked at the chart like every single day. But just something you get more wait, here, I'll show you. I use liquidity and I use volume profiles. I use basically all my POIs. It depends on your strategy how you will depend or how you will decide your bias. But I use liquidity for the most part, and then I use fair value gaps. I use internal types of liquidity, like golden pockets, fibs, all that types of stuff. So I would, for example, today I want to see if this gets swept, this right here, the Trump high, and then I want to see a move down to internal liquidity, which would be this volume profile down here, this fair value gap, this Fibonacci, all that stuff before I want to see higher. I also want to see like a rebalance because we have had this huge fucking move up with no retracements, only like small liquidity sweeps before we go up. So that's why I want to see a big move down before we keep going up. If that makes sense. What the fuck am I listening to? What is this? When's news? Is it news today? No, there's no news today, bro. That's probably why. It's dead as shit. Shit, dead as a motherfucker. LeBron James. days. Two plus two equals 4 play. Alright. This shit is so ass. If it just keeps on going like this for the next like 40 minutes, I'm not going to bother trading it. But we're starting to... This also concerns me. This could be a play though. Weekly open. Something like this. We could go a super tight stop loss on it too. Where's the golden pocket at? Maybe. Oh. We'll see. Vad gör du? Är hon bil och streamer, bror? Live trading, vet du. Karl's gonna bli famous. Bara clips, bror. Clips, bror. Men det er jo ingenting. Hva er den price action her, man? Dæveste greiene jeg har vært med på. Alright. Might go for something on the weekly open here. Could probably go for something like this. Or this. I don't think we're gonna bounce off that golden pocket. Not gonna lie, bro. Hello! Sick. Alright. Okay. No, I'm not looking for anything yet. To be honest. This shit is sketchy as a motherfucker. And I do like this. These highs. They do look nice. But I'm not sure. Give me a second. Yo, hello? And this is why we didn't long it. But now... Nah. And that's why we didn't long this shit, bro. If we bounce from here, we can take a long from... If we flip the daily open and weekly open again. Saw this long in there? Yeah, I saw, but I'm not gonna take that. And I'm happy I didn't. Why is that area you were talking about longing sketchy? Because you see this, and Q swept all the highs, kept sweeping, kept sweeping. ES just kept going lower and lower. Huge divergence, and NQ showed a lot of weakness, and it didn't really show any respect to any key level, so. I don't really see why we should dump this hard from here, though. We'll see. The go. Watch the one. Alright. This shit's dead, bro. No entries at all. Might Loki just fucking flip this. What do you mean that by divergence? I mean NQ is sweeping these sides while ES is just leaving them behind. Essentially they're both sweeping it. I don't really see anything of interest here, to be honest. This shit dead, bro. I was waiting for this drop. I could have at least given the fucking Trump high. Yeah, I don't really see any reason for it to drop either, to be honest. But shit. Game's game. Trump high now or no indication? I don't really know, to be honest. At this point, I just want it to go lower before we go higher. Like this just looks like liquidity that will take on a move up. So give me a move down before we go like ballistic upwards. Like down here or down here. Somewhere. Yeah, Trump is some fucking shit lately. Oh wait, I haven't even changed the fucking title, bro. Well. Watch this shit, just don't give a fuck about a retest of anything, just go and fucking... What is... Here we go. Yep. Dev sold, bro. Dev fucking sold. This motherfucker just rugged the entire chart. I'm not gonna take anything without confirmation today, bro. This shit just looks sketchy. Like if we start bouncing from here, then we can go for a golden bucket entry or something, and then aim for those highs again. But we'll see. There we go. Alright. Flashy 5 HD. Professional Discord moderator. Vad som fan är det då? How do I... There you go. This shit makes you wanna fucking headbutt a fucking hole in the wall, bro. Jesus Christ. Wanna fucking kill myself. When you come into Australia? Shit, I don't know. Clip farming? Yeah, bro, let me just fucking pull out a shotgun right now. I got you. Bullish or bearish? Well, yeah. That's what we got. Nothing. It's Friday, I don't want to do anything, to be honest. I just want to play confirmation here. Shit. What you know about this? What you know about that watch? PM high FVG fill. What, bro? Like here? Shit, I don't know. What reaction did you want to see from the weekly to take that long? Well, I didn't want it to get raped. That's a first. um, nah, I mean, to be honest, I didn't want to take that long without any confirmation. Like, I want to see at least, like, this is all I'm looking for today. Just a bounce from some sort of key level, like here, and then a golden pocket. Nothing more. I'm not going to bother trying to limit or get raped. At least some lube, bro. Damn. Shit, have some respect. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Give me something. One short, a retest of daily open. Well, I could, but it doesn't really want to give any retests or any retrace, to be honest. And I don't want to do a golden pocket from here because now we have this fucking resting liquidity. And that previous day high. Like, we have all this resting liquidity. So now longs look good. Shorts would have looked good if we just fucking, like, took that high at least. But now, like, nothing looks good. Like, you don't want to get caught trading this. And you don't really want to short either because now we've set the Asia lows, which would be my first target. Like, I'm not really interested in anything right now. Wrestling with the, yeah, I mean, I guess. Hearing your thinking behind taking trades and not taking trades is helpful. Yeah, that's nice. That's the point. But I mean, this price action isn't really fucking helpful when your mentor's gonna fucking kill himself at the end of the stream. That's nice. It's like, this just makes you wanna fucking... Huh? Oh, bro. Ooh. Short yesterday's first percented, this one. I mean, it looks decent, but I'm not gonna do that after we swept that Asia low. I do think we go lower, but I don't know where we'll get anything from anymore. You feel me? Alright. I've had fucking enough, bro. I bought some cool shit on Temu, but I have no clue where the fuck I put it. And now that I'm trying to find it, for once, it's nowhere to get fucking found. Give me a second. Oh, there you go. This right here. That's where the money's made. Alright, just gotta fucking put an alert or some shit so I know where price is. There you go. Get a fucking workout going. Oosh, oosh, oosh. Is there any hope? No. Holy shit, I'm out of shape. Slowly losing my mind. German Rocky, I'm not fucking Hitler, bro. Wait. Type shit. Whoosh. Whoosh. I still have no clue how to fucking use this shit, but it's fun to use. You feel so uncoordinated when you use this, by the way. Well, price is moving, and I'm moving. I would beat the brakes out of you. Damn, don't threaten me with a good time. Come on now. Daily open short? Maybe. Maybe not. Just give the room tour. This shit looks so bad, bro. Like, alright. This looks decent, and then we just go like... and there he go. And there he goes. It's not good. It's not good at all. Damn. Your room big as shit. Yeah, it's alright. Damn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wrong one. Oh shit, wrong one, wrong one, wrong one. Alright. Don't worry about that. God damn. Give me a second here, damn. My PC is not with me today, damn. Chill out. There's too many buttons, bro. There's too many fucking buttons. Fucking hell. Angus versus Cousin. Bro, that motherfucker lost his breath in the first round against that other motherfucker. There's no hope. I would ass rape him, bro. Clipped? Shut the fuck up, bro. I'm not clipping anything. I mean, like, if you do... Like, help me out, bro. Damn. Okay. What's Bitcoin doing? I'm so pissed we got front run on this. This right here. This. Oh, that's crazy. But this could be nice, something like this. A range deviation back test. But I have high hopes for Bitcoin now. I'm hoping like 150k. Like at least. I've kind of stopped trading crypto. Like, it's such a headache trying to trade crypto whilst trading Nasdaq and all that stuff. Is there anything you guys want me to chart? Like any crypto pairs? Or want me to look at anything? Like Forex? Stuff like that? Have you ever done Forex? Yeah, I mean, I've been through it. I used to trade everything back in the day. I used to chart everything, fucking trade everything. I used to be on in front of the computer for like 5 hours a day. No, I mean 15 hours a day. Just trading shit. I would trade fucking orange juice futures if I could. Gold futures? Yeah, I can do that. Your USD, I can do that too. Do not trade Forex because of the bad PA. No, I just don't trade like Forex and crypto in general because I want to focus on Nasdaq. Because I make way more money on that than I do crypto. Now I've just started holding crypto spot for my bags. I don't really like trading it. When do you invalidate your fair value gaps? When they have been closed, like on a 1 minute, like if this would be my fair value gap, for example, I would invalidate it when it closes above it on the 1 minute. Same thing with 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, all that stuff. I never really invalidate something. Yeah, swing trading crypto is very much easier. But it's such a headache trying to like chart everything and just have like focus on everything, setting alerts on everything, paying attention to the market when you like it's so much easier to just focus on one thing. Focus on Nasdaq, for example. I day trade this shit, like I take 1 to 3 trades a day and then it's like over with. How long did it actually take you to start making consistent bread from Nasdaq? I actually started making money pretty quickly from Nasdaq. I think like 4 or 5 months maybe from when I started trading. I'm not sure. It didn't take that long, like a few months. And then I've just scaled it. Now as well, I don't really want to fucking short the daily open because we've swept the Asia lows. But I do want lower, but I also want higher. I don't really want to trade this shit. What's beeping is the alert, these green lines. Like from here, anything can really happen. Like we've swept this, which is nice. But this could also just be like a fuel up to go further down, but it can also be a fuel up to go like take out all this. Wow, this shit's good. Who did you learn from earlier? How come you aren't looking for scalp longs around here? I don't really want to trade this, to be honest, because I don't really have a clear draw anymore. Like, it can go both ways for all I care. And I'm not really trying to scalp. It's Friday, I've made my bread this week. And it's nothing that really stands out to me anymore. So it's nothing like worth putting limits on or scalping anymore. I'm just gonna watch PA, and then if I see something that's scalp worthy, I'll take it. But for now, I'm just gonna stay on the side. Not gonna bother losing money because I feel like trading. If you hadn't made your bread for the week, what would you look for? I'd look to fucking go outside, bro. Nah, I still like I mean I like trading, but I don't like trading this. You know? Like even if you haven't made your bed for the week, there's no point trading when you're uncertain about the way you're gonna trade it, you know? Like here I can trade both ways, but I'm not like 100% sure which way. So I'm not gonna bother risking fucking taking an L on some shit trade where I don't even know which direction price will go, you know? As accounts loaded, was so excited to gamble. Yeah, well, gamble then, bro. I'm not gonna stop you. I'm not. I'm a gambling man myself. Fuck it, let's run some wanted buys. Nah, I mean it's no point. Like, look at the way it's moving too. Like, don't bother. You know. Your age? I'm 22. Where are the VWAPs? Ooh, that could be nice though. This. But again, like, we can't just fucking blast through it. Or we can just go like here and reject and then go daily open and up. Or then we can go like here, golden pocket, up. Like, I'm not certain we'll go down. Because this liquidity up here looks so fucking good. Like, all this looks so good now that we've taken this Asia low. There's nothing stopping us from taking all this other stuff, you know? I live in Australia. How would you go about trading if you could only usually trade the first 2 hours? Then I'd only trade the first 2 hours. That's what I'm praying for, you know? That's that's a good problem to have. Only being able to trade the first 2 hours of New York, that's the two best hours of New York. You know? You have the 10 a.m. open, you got the New York open, and then you have like an hour of price action. And if you don't see what you like to see by the time that ends, don't bother trading. You feel me? What price was 8 points away from my level? What was your level? What you got, little homie? What you got? Asia, I wouldn't bother trading. London, I could bother trading. It depends on you. 2050? Yeah, I mean, I could have liked longs here, to be honest, like, off this order block right here. Or this fucking SR. With the VWAPs under, we've got TR pocket. It would have looked good, but I wanted like a little bit more down. Let's see how we react to the weekly open. If we lose daily open again, we can go for shorts. But if we just go like fucking ballistic, I'm not gonna bother. Then we could rather just fucking go like this, maybe. And then go upwards. Alright, let's see gold futures then. Holy shit! Damn! Holy fuck, bro. sweep that? No. Oof. Damn. I just hit on 50 on a blackjack and won? Type shit. Lost the fucking plot, bro. You lost the fucking plot, bro. This long here would have looked beautiful if we swept this low right here. If we swept that low, look at this. 100%. 110% this is golden pocket. Bang. And you got the monthly open on top. Damn. This would have been beautiful if we swept that low. Could have swung it like this. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Alright, I'm gonna give it 20 more minutes. If we don't see anything I like, I'm just gonna fucking dip. And then I'll try again. Try streaming again on Tuesday. I'm not gonna bother Monday because it's gonna be the same shit as this. Probably. I don't know if we have news next Monday. I'll check. Monday, no news. And CPI on Tuesday. So I can stream on Tuesday next week. And then we'll do live trading as well. Probably gonna have some more levels and shit to do then. Now we're just scalping, which I don't really like. I'll give it 20 more minutes before I completely make my mind up. Wait, what? Damn. Not a 1 RR merchant like Will? Damn, bro. That's my goat you talking about. Nah, 1 RR is fine. As long as you have a win rate to back it. If that's your strategy, that's your strategy, bro. Yeah, Uncle catching fucking strays, bro. Where'd that come from? Damn. Solid right hook to the fucking jaw, bro. It's my glorious king. Alright, hop off it, bro. He's doing fucking tricks on it. Damn. Coke break. Oh. This ain't Pac-Man, fella. Study Baklava 1RR 5k trades. Bro, it's not even 1RR. That's like 0.25 or some shit. But it works. That's what I'm saying. If it works, it fucking works. Like if that's the way you trade, that's the way you trade, then. Put them googly eyes away, bro. PA that makes you want to grab a fucking beer and beat the shit out your wife, bro. Study TGR double Jewish inversion, slave inversion. Alright. Study the fucking Mormons, bro. A Filipino bitch fly me to LA to fuck. Oh! Fucking bitch of a price action, bro. Like, what am I looking at? Like, what are we trading? $3 million.
They brought in some pussy ass niggas to make some weak ass beats. They hear you rap, and you getting fucked. You getting like a TLC deal. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to them dicks and balls that you used to. Yeah, bitch.
Bitch. I'm giving it 10 more minutes and then I'm logging off. What are you waiting for? I'm just waiting for a fucking something, bro. I just want to see like a scalp opportunity maybe. I want to see how we react after the weekly open. Maybe we get something. I just want to see if it's anything we can get. I'll give it 10 more minutes. And then I'm gonna log off.
Yo, fuck you, Kanye, first and foremost, for making me do this shit, motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Had to throw everybody out the motherfucking room, you know, fuck. I'd like to propose a toast. I said toast, motherfucker. La 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 la. This is the last call
Sweat lows would not be interesting as Golden Pocket 30-minute FVG. No. $22.01 Golden Pocket. No, I mean, the PA will start moving in as soon as you log off. Yeah, probably, bro. Probably fuckingly. Oh wait for the 15 band screenshot. Nah, we're logging off this time. This is not what you want to trade. This is not optimal at all. Maybe PM session offers something, but I'm not gonna sit around and wait for it. I might just fucking lock off all the accounts and then just log off for the day. Log off and beat the wife. 100%, bro. With this PA, that's most likely what's gonna happen. Catch the fucking right hook, bro. Damn. Five card 21. Oh shit. You still playing blackjack, bro? Shit, I might join you. Soul Casino. I'll load up a soul. Play some fucking Plinko. Maybe this could be a play. Stops below that. Weekly open, first target. Like this could have been. If I was certain about us going to the fucking highs, I would have taken this. But anything, we can go, we literally go anywhere from here, in my opinion. Try and tame the gambling demons away from trading. Yep. Fucking. Alright, I cannot gamble because my name on Soul Casino is a little bit racist. Let's just say that. So I can't. We cannot be gambling, fellas. We are not gambling. I didn't see that one coming. Well, TOS worst nightmare. Yeah. I can't be streaming on YouTube with this shit, bro. Yeah, we might just bounce from here too, to be honest. Yeah, nah, this price is fucking ass. We're logging off. There's no point trading this. We're just wasting time. This is not why we trade. I'll go live again on Tuesday when we have CPI. We'll probably have a shit ton of volume. Yeah. We'll probably just trade then instead. Have a good weekend, fellas. Was a nice one. We'll try again on Tuesday. Maybe there's levels then, maybe there's some trades to take. This is not it, that's all I know. Not even gonna bother. Alright. Adios.